Just to warn you people, with these Nakamichi plugs you get from Aliexpress from China, they are very good plugs, but they have a problem. The protecting silver case on the banana plugs, they are electrical conductivity. So if by case the red touch with the black one, when your amp's working, it will may damage your amplifier. So be aware of Nakamichi plugs and use a electrical tape. Use a electrical tape to isolate the negative from the positive. So when they touch each other, they don't conduce electricity, because if they conduce electricity, it can blow and short your amp. So that's my tip, okay? So that's it. Be aware with Nakamichi plugs. The case does conductive electrical electricity, and if they touch accidentally, they will short your amp.